Have you ever pondered the significance of the cash register scene in The Simpsons opening sequence where Maggie is scanned? This humorous moment, along with recurring jokes like the moving couch and chalkboard gags, adds to the show's charm. Um, but what does the scanner reveal about Maggie? And really, let's dive into the mystery and explore the intricacies of this iconic scene. And initially, when Maggie goes through the register, the price screen displays $847.63. An inside joke for economists, creator Matt Groening revealed that this amount represented the average monthly cost of raising a child in the US in 1989. By doing this, The Simpsons subtly satirized the high cost of child rearing in contemporary society. By 2009, the show introduced a revised opening sequence with the cash register displaying $243.26 when Maggie is not included, and $486.52 when she is. This change modernized the initial joke to reflect current inflation rates, as raising a child has significantly increased in cost since 1989. The Simpsons opening credits could have dynamically updated the cash register display with a new total, but that would quickly become outdated, and instead, the choice to double Marge's cost might have been made to symbolize the high expenses of raising children without specifying an exact amount. In Treehouse of Horror 24, directed by Guillermo del Toro, Maggie's price tag took on a satanic figure of $666 to match the Halloween theme. This unique twist on the cash register joke added to the episode's spooky atmosphere. The Simpsons' attention to detail extends beyond the main storyline, with hidden gems like the Maggie cash register scene in the opening credits. These meticulous care and passion for the show's production make The Simpsons a labor of love, delivering sharp satire and laughter to its audience. In conclusion, the Maggie cash register scene is just one of the many Easter eggs that make The Simpsons so iconic. With its long-lasting legacy on television and commitment to delivering humor that resonates with its audience, The Simpsons continues to be a dominant force in animation. So next time you watch The Simpsons, keep an eye out for these hidden gems and enjoy the show's enduring appeal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,